How to create a digital resume with Canva. Crafting a resume shouldn't feel like a chore. This video will show you how to create a stunning digital resume using Canva, a free and user-friendly design platform. Canva empowers you to ditch the traditional text-heavy resume and create a visually appealing digital version that grabs attention and showcases your skills. Head to Canva, open your web browser and visit canva.com. In the search bar, type resume to explore Canva's vast library of themes and free and premium resume templates. Choose a template that aligns with your style and industry. Don't be afraid to browse, variety is key. Canva allows easy customization. Swap out text, photos, and icons with your own information. Play with fonts, colors, and layouts to personalize your resume. Make it easy for employers to reach you. Include your name, email, phone number, and relevant links like your portfolio website. Highlight your professional journey, list your past positions, company names and dates, briefly describe your responsibilities and achievements. Showcase your skills, as you can use bullet points to list your hard skills, software proficiency, and soft skills as communication and network. Canva offers free and premium design elements like icons, illustrations, and charts to add visual interest to your resume. Double check everything for typos and grammatical errors before saving your masterpiece. With Canva, creating a professional and eye-catching digital resume is within your reach. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.